one full circle. Or if you want to take, then you can take that. First you have to take the half, again you have to take the half, then you have to add it, or directly you can also do.
Oh, so means I want to multiply 2 times 3.5.
2 times. Already I have written, because half into pi r square, half into pi r square, this I have written, because that is for the half circle. But how many are there? Because two are there. Two are there, so
Okay.
directly you can do, or by this method also you can. Now
Okay.
clear or not?
Yeah, now clear.
Now you can see the figure also. This is figure is given in your book also. Na? This
Yeah,
is
it's
a
given.
rectangle and this is a half circle. Half circle is this side. So either directly you can write the full circle, or you can write as I have done here. This I have done because there should be no any confusion to you. Half of the pi r square. We know the formula of the area of the circle, that is pi r square, because semi is there. Semi means half is there.
Half is
So half into pi r square, but two are there. So 2 into half. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So that means which formula we are getting? That is pi r square. This you can do, or directly you can do.
okay.
Okay. Now the questions
Yeah,
were
it's
clear
clear.
or not? One more thing I will tell you, that whenever you are getting as weekend you are getting, so there you have to complete these questions. Most of the questions, that 2 days you can complete. And if any doubt is there, the next day you can ask. As the Friday we have the holidays, and Saturday you can ask. Sunday we have the holiday, and Monday you can ask. 5 or 10 minutes I can give for the your problems. Okay.
Okay.
Any more doubt is there?
No, ma'am.
No. Then now I think I should start the next exercise. 11.2.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. 11.2 exercise. I think the trapezium is given. No? Trapezium.
Yeah. Yeah, trapezium is given.
You know what is the meaning of the trapezium?
Its sides are parallel. Oh,
Correct? This type of the figure here.
okay.
These two sides are parallel.
Mm.
Okay? It is not necessary that these are equal, but it should be parallel only. And
Okay.
what is the area of that trapezium? What is the formula of the trapezium? You know what is the formula of the trapezium?
Trapezium formula.
That is half. What is A plus B? That is the sum of the parallel side. This is the
Okay.
sum of the parallel side. Sum of
Okay.
parallel sides. Only the parallel side you have to take. Suppose this is A and this is B. So you have to take the sum of the parallel side only. That means A plus B. Okay? In the
Okay.
bracket. And multiply by the height, corresponding height. Height between the two parallel lines.
Okay.
Okay? So this is the formula only. Clear the question?
First question.
Hey, this formula is clear or not?
Yeah, this is question. This is clear.
Now you can read the first question. Read the first question now.
Okay. The shape of the top surface of table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel side are measure 1 and 1.2 meter, and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter.
Yes. Now in the question, everything I think is given clearly. What is given here? Parallel side. What are the parallel sides?
1.2
How much it is
and
given?
1. A and
1.2 and
B.
1 meter.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And the perpendicular distance, height which is given, perpendicular distance, how much that?
Height is 0.8.
0.8 meter. Same units are there, so you can write the formula and put the values.
Yeah.
Now, can you do it yourself?
Yeah, I will.
Half into sum of the parallel side, 1.2 plus 1. Into height is how much? That is 0.8. So half into 1.2 plus 1, how much it will be? That is 2.2 into 0.8. Okay.
Yeah.
Then remove the decimal. Here you can write as 10. 2 fours are. 2 twos are. 2 fives are. Here also you can remove this one. Upon 10. So 2 fives are. That is 22 upon 5 fives are 25. And then 22 and 25 you can divide. If you can do it, then easily you can do. Put here 25 fours are 200. 20, 25 fours are. Calculation you can do accordingly as you want. 0.44.
Okay.
Area is there, so unit will be always in the square. With this way
Let's
around.
see.
This is 8 8, not 4 4. 25 8. 0.88. If directly you can divide 0.8 by the 2, then directly you can do. Or if removing
Okay.
the decimal, if you want, then put here the 0 0. Then also you can.
Mm.
Calculation is on you as you wish. You can do according to you.
Mm. Now I'm done.
Completed. Now read the next question.
Okay. The area of a trapezium is 34 centimeters square and the length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side.
Yes. Which formula we have to write?
We have to half um, half multiply by a plus b bracket close multiply by h.
Okay. Now here you see area is given. This here you have to write 34.
Yeah.
Half. A value you can write as 10. B value that you have to find. And height is how much? Into 4.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Can you find the value of B yourself?
Yeah, I can.
Yes. So you can also try. Yeah, I will solve.
Yeah.
After that, I will tell.
Okay. Ma'am,
Got it?
yes, ma'am, I got it. The answer is 7.
7 is, but you tell me that this is the process is clear or not? Either by this one or by this one.
Ma'am,
By
I'm
anyone
using
you
the
can do.
first method. I'm using the first method.
First method. Okay, then this is 34. When you will bring this to here, this 34, this is 4 divided by 2. So it will be 2, 34 here, and this is in the bracket. So when you will open the bracket, that means by the 2 you have to multiply. 10 2s are 20 plus
Yeah.
2b. Then bring to left side, then sign will be changed. Plus will be minus. 34 minus 20 equals to 2b. It is 14 equals to 2b. B value is 7 centimeter. Okay, the calculation
Okay.
is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's
Okay. Now see the next question.
hmm. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48, CD is equal to 17, and AD is equal to 40. Find the area of this field side. AB is perpendicular to the parallel side of AD and BC.
Yes. So tell me, how can you do? What you can find? What is given in
Mm,
the question?
the length is given.
Length of how many sides are there? How many sides are there? Four sides are there, but how many sides are given? BC is 48.
Yeah.
Okay. CD is 17. All are in meter.
Yes.
AD is 40 meter.
Hmm.
And the whole length. Whole length is how much?
Whole length is 120.
120. That is in meter. What can you find? Here you will see three sides are given and the whole length is given. That is 120. What can we find?
We can find the AB.
AB also. How can we find the AB?
We will subtract the total from the sides.
Yes, subtract. First, you have to add all and subtract from one side.
Yeah.
So can you find the value of AB? Tell
Yeah.
me the AB is how much? AB, you tell me.
Okay. AB is 2. Ma'am, the AB is 15.
AB is 15, correct, correct. Can you find the area now?
Yeah, we can.
Area of the trapezium, A plus B into height.
Yeah.
So 40 plus 48. And height, AB will be the height. Solve it.
What? Actually, what you said?
I said that A plus B, these two are the parallel side, and height is this one.
Ah,
AB is the height.
yeah.
Don't take the 17. 70 is not the height.
Yeah, it's like tilted.
Yes. So that 15 you have to take as the height.
So we will not multiply half.
Half you have to do. Formula is of half. Half A plus B into height.
So we have to do that, right?
Do that. You have to write the formula only. I am telling only the dimensions of A, B, and height. Half you have to use.
Ma'am, 220 meter square.
220. Why the 220 is there?
Meter square.
Half. A is how much?
40.
220 is not correct. 40. And B is how much?
48.
One is 40, other is 48. Into 15.
Yeah.
Correct?
Oh, shit. I multiply 44 by 5.
No. 40 plus 48 you have to add. This is coming 88.
Ah.
88 into 15 divided by 2.
Yeah. 5, 5. Ma'am, 60 meter square.
Yes, correct. Yes, square meter. So this question is clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Clear. Okay. The next one.
Fourth, the diagonal of the collateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it form the remaining opposite vertical are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of a field.
This is given 24, forming the one triangle here, and the altitude is perpendicular is 13 meter. Okay. And this side also, the one more triangle we are getting here, this side. And here also the perpendicular is given, that is 8 meter.
Yes.
This is the figure. And what
Yes,
you have to find? You have to find the area of the whole figure. But here for this question, you will see the two triangles are given.
Yeah, it's given. Two triangles are given.
One triangle is upside and one triangle is downward side.
Yeah.
Can you find the area of both triangles?
Then add it.
Area of first triangle. Upside, this is the first one and this is the second one.
Okay.
Can you find the area of the first triangle?
Why?
Same thing that you have to find the area of the second triangle also. And after that, you have to add. What is the formula of the area of the triangle?
3 into side.
Area of the triangle, you know what is the formula of the area of the triangle? Yes, same thing. After that, I will tell you. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle?
Area of rectangle is L into B.
L into B. And you know that what is triangle? This is a rectangle.
Yeah, it's
And
rectangle.
this is the triangle. Two are there. So can you tell me what is the formula of the area of the triangle?
Um,
Area of rectangle length into breadth. This you are telling me. And here two are there. So what is the formula of the area of the triangle?
half multiply by 4 into 1.
Yes. Multiply by length into breadth. The same thing. Half length into breadth. Because two are there. Na? So that means half is there. This is the half part. This is the half part. So you
Okay.
can write here half into length into breadth. Yeah, base into height you can. Base into
Okay.
height. How much the
Hmm.
base is there? For the first one, what is the base? Base is same for both the triangles. That is
Yeah,
24.
24 and height is 13.
13. You can, I think you can solve it. First part
Yeah.
as well as the second part also. Tell me the answer.
Let
Completed?
yes, from first triangle area is 156 meters square.
Yes. Second one you have to find.
Second area triangle is equal half multiplied by 24. And what was it? One. Ma'am, second the area of second triangle is 96 meters square.
Yes, yes. Find the
Okay.
total.
Area equal to 96 plus 1. Ma'am, total area is 252 meters square.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
done.
clear
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see here. I have solved. If you want to see from here, you can see area of the first figure, area of the second figure. Then you have to find the area of the whole figure. That means you have to add the first one, 156. Second is 96 square meters. So you have to add, what is the answer? That is coming 252 square meters.
Okay.
What,
Done.
what happened? What happened? Tired?
Yes, ma'am.
Tired?
No, ma'am, I'm not tired. I'm saying
No,
it's
no.
done.
Yes, be smart. Maths subject is very good subject, you know. We should be very active in maths class.
Yeah.
In the class. Yes, now these questions were of a trapezium.
Yeah,
Okay.
now it's rhombus.
Now this was of a triangle and the rhombus. You know what is the meaning of the rhombus?
It's a tilted square.
This is a rhombus.
Okay.
Where the diagonals intersect at angle of 90 degree.
Oh yeah. Okay.
This is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. And all the sides are equal. Suppose
Okay.
this is 5 centimeter, it should be 5, it should be 5, it should be 5. Diagonals may be different. That should not
Okay.
be equal.
Hmm.
It may be or it may not be, but generally the diagonals are different. How can we find the area of the rhombus? Area equals to, what is the formula for the area of the rhombus? Here two diagonals are there. You know what is the meaning of the diagonal? From the one vertex to the another one.
Okay.
AC, that is the one diagonal. What is the second diagonal here?
From D to B.
D to B. So how many diagonals are there?
2.
One is here and one is here. So you know
Yeah.
that whenever you have to find the area of the rhombus, that means half into product of the diagonals. So I will write here D1 into D2. D1,
Okay.
D2 is the diagonals. So the product of the diagonals.
Hmm.
Diagonal you have to multiply divided by 2. What is that? This is the area of the rhombus. So
Okay.
rhombus is clear. What is the rhombus? Rhombus means
Um.
all the
It's
sides should be equal
all
and
the substitute
the
the
diagonal should be intersect at the angle of 90 degree.
90-degree.
This is this is a right angle. You know that four triangles we are getting here. And which triangles are these? These are the right angle triangles.
Right
One
angle triangle.
right angle triangle, second right angle triangle, third right angle triangle, fourth right angle triangle. But directly also we can solve the question. How can we solve? The product of the diagonal divided by 2. This is the formula.
Okay. Understood.
And I think here you will see that diagonal is given. Two diagonals are given.
Yeah, there are two diamonds, 7.5 and
So
12.
I think now you can put the value yourself and you can get it.
Yeah.
One is the 7.5 and other is the 12.
12.
So you can reduce 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30, 45 square centimeter. Clear the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the next question. But main thing is there that you have to learn the formula. So you can do one thing that in beginning, as I think you have the one new notebook. In the beginning, 2 or 3 pages, you have to write the formula only. Area of the trapezium, area of the triangle, area of the rhombus, area of the rectangle. Like this, you have to write. So it will be easy for you. First 2 or 3
Okay.
pages, write the formula. Next question you can read.
Next question. Okay. Sixth one. Find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of another diagonal.
Yes, this is little different question. Question number 6.
Yeah.
Find the area of the rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter. If you will make the figure, then the question will be very easy for you.
Uh,
And for the rhombus, you should make like this figure only. If you will make the square, then little problem may be there. But I think it will be much better, this figure. That will be clear to you. By this, the question will be clear. Area of the rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter. When one side is 5 centimeter, that means all the side will be 5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Okay. Then what is given the next one?
5 centimeter and Or one if one diagonal is 8 centimeter long.
One diagonal. You can write any one diagonal. That is 8 centimeters. Suppose this is 8 centimeters.
Hmm.
Okay. And one more thing is given. And whose
Al-
altitude is
Altitude is 4.8.
4.8. And one more thing is given. You have to find the area.
Yeah, we have to find the area of the rhombus.
Uh, altitude, length of the one diagonal, area of the rhombus. Yes, tell me that how can you do this question?
The altitude is half of the second diagonal actually, right?
So that means we have to find this also.
Yeah. We will multiply 2 by 4.8.
How can you do? Because we know the formula area equals to half into the product of the diagonal, d1 into d2.
Hmm. Yeah.
One diagonal we know,
Yeah, one diagonal is 8.
8. So another you have to find.
Hmm.
How can you find?
Hmm. We will, the area is not even.
Which formula we can write for this one? You know that
Um,
here we can write the one formula that base into height also we can find. Just like the square or the rectangle, base into height. And you will see the base is given, that is the 5 centimeter.
yeah, and height is
Altitude means
4.8.
the height is also given, that is 4.8.
Yeah.
So how much it will be? Area? Don't write this one, 4.8. This is 4.8.
28,
This is
20,
4.8. Not this one. This is 4.8. So 8 5s are 40. 5 4s are 20 or 4. 24
yeah, 24.
unit is unit meter
Yes,
centimeter.
one meter,
This is square
centimeter. Oh,
square centimeter.
hmm.
We know that area equals to half into the product of the diagonal. Area area of this one, that is 24. Half. One diagonal you have to find. कितना दिया हुआ है?
One diagonal
8
is
is given.
given. Yeah, it is given.
So D2 you can find. 2 fours na D2 you can find. 24 upon 4. That means another diagonal is 6 centimeter.
Okay.
First you know down. Again I will tell you. Again I will tell you. You
Okay.
note down this question. This is 3 centimeters.
This one noted.
And now you see that where is the confusion?
What?
Where is the confusion in this question?
I have the confusion in the first B into H.
Acha. That parallelogram formula you studied? Yesterday, I think we did. Parallelogram formula.
Yeah.
What is a rhombus? Rhombus is also the just like the parallelogram because here you will see one base is given and one height is also given. One
Oh.
diagonal is also given. One side, that means the base is given here. And this altitude is also given. This altitude is given. This altitude. This whole part you
Mm.
can see. Not this one only. Up to this it is given. That is 4.8. This whole altitude is given. So this base is 5 centimeter and this altitude is how much? That is 4.8. So by using it, because this is a type of the parallelogram also, and what is the formula for the parallelogram? That is base into height.
Okay.
In bracket you can write. If you have confusion, then you can write with the rhombus, just like the parallelogram. Otherwise, you
Ah,
will think that why we have written the base into height. In bracket you can write parallelogram. In your notebook you can note down. This is parallelogram.
okay.
I think there will be no any confusion. That means base into height. How much the base is there for the parallelogram? This is 5. Base is the 5. How much the altitude is there? Height means altitude. How much is that? That is 4.8. So the total area of this parallelogram is how much? That is 24 square centimeter. For
Okay.
this whole figure, parallelogram, that means rhombus. What is the area of this rhombus or the parallelogram? That is 24 square centimeter.
Okay, understood.
You want to take water, then you can take. No problem. You can take.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here the area of this whole figure is coming. How much is that? That is 24. And that is a figure of a rhombus. What is the formula of the rhombus? Area equals to half into
Area.
product of the diagonal. Because here you will see the one diagonal is given. Another diagonal we have to find. Area is how much? That is 24. Half. One diagonal is given as 8. Another diagonal you can find. So 2 fours are 24 divided by 4. So how much it will be? That is 6 centimeter.
6 centimeter.
Now see again, read one more time. If any
Okay.
confusion is there, then again you can ask. If you are confused in any step, then you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. Done. Understood.
Okay. Now clear?
Yeah.
One more time you can
Yes.
see at home. That's it. After this class, you can read. You can see this again.
Okay.
Now read the question. Next question you can read.
The floor of building consists of 3,000 tiles, which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonal are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if cost per meter square is 4 rupees.
Please quote.
In this question, we have to find the area of rhombus and we should multiply it by 3,000, then multiply it by 4. Then we'll get the cost.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. But one thing is there. Here you will see in the question, the units are different. Tile unit
Oh,
are given in centimeter. And while the in cost, how much it is given?
meter square.
Square meter. So what we have to do? In
We will
beginning, you
convert
can convert the centimeter into meter. Then it will be easy for
meters.
you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will be little difficult. So I think what can we find first? First, we can convert the diagonal that centimeter into meter. First diagonal is how much? 45 centimeter.
Yeah.
Second diagonal is how much? That is
30.
40 centimeter. So we can convert directly into the meter. 45 centimeter, how can we convert? 45 divided by 100. You know it?
Yeah, 0.45. 45.
0.45 meter. Same here also you can do. D2 also. 30 upon 100. So it will be 0.30 meter.
Yeah.
Can you find the area?
Okay. Area is equal
Area
to
of
sum
one
of.
tile you can find. Area of the one tile is this one. This is of one tile. Okay?
Yeah. Tile area. This is
Completed?
this one almost.
I think little problem may be there in the calculation only.
Yeah.
Uh, so should I tell you?
Yeah.
Because this is coming 3000 area you have find out.
Yeah, I
Half
have.
into 0.45,
Yeah, it's done
0.30,
0.0675. Yes.
0.15. As you will multiply, this is coming 0.0675 square meter.
Yeah.
Till that you have done?
Yeah, that I have done.
Yes, okay. Now this is of area of one tile only. How many tiles are there?
3,000 are there.
3000. So can you find the area of the 3000 tiles?
That I have multiplied, but I am getting a
Multiply by
different type.
3000. Multiply by 3000. Now I will tell you what is the easiest method to calculate it. This
Okay.
is 0.0675 and this is 3000. Okay. Write only 675. Multiply by 3 only.
Okay.
Then you multiply it. What is the answer? 0.2025. How many
Mm.
zeros are there? One, two, three. So here you can write 1, 2, 3 zeros. Because
Okay.
only 3 we use, no, not the 3000. So that's why you can write yourself these 3 zeros. But after the decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four
Yeah.
digits are there, so you can put the decimal where 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4.
Before this 5, you have to put the decimal. So this is coming 202.5 square meter.
Understood.
Clear? Now see, this is not the question. This is only the area of the 3000 tiles.
Yeah.
Cost of 1 square meter is how much? Rupees 4.
4.
And you have to find the cost of this much, 202.5 square meter. So 202.5 into 4 multiplied. What is the answer? Answer is coming as rupees 810. Now you can multiply.
Okay.
But little confusion may be here only. 3000 multiplied by 0675.
Yeah.
Little confusion. So only the numbers you have to take. Take the numbers only. 675 multiply by 3. This you can take. And these zeros,
Yeah.
3 zeros before 3, you can write yourself.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. And here you will see decimal is also there. So we have to put the decimal also. So after the decimal, how many digits are there? 4
4.
are there. So we have to write. From here you have to count. From the left side you have to from the right side you have to come to the left side. 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So after this 2 you have to put the decimal. So 202.5 square meter. Okay. Now the cost of 1 square meter is how much? That is rupees 4. So you have to find the cost of 202.5 square meter. So 202.5 multiplied by 4. So as you will calculate, I think this easily you can do. The problem is there, then here I can show you.
Okay.
Can you multiply 5 4s are 20, 0, then point, 4 2s are 8, and then 10 1. 10 10 you लिख दीजिए, 4 2s are 8. So what is the answer? 810. So this you can do.
Okay.
So note down this question and try all these questions again. The problem will be there, then tomorrow you can ask. Note
Okay,
down this
ma'am.
question.
Okay.
You have to focus on the calculation also, because sometimes the calculation gives the most problem to the student. They solve the question easily, but the calculation gives the problems to the student.
Yeah.
So whenever you will try the questions, then you have to take yourself the calculation these.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now should I leave the class? Homework I have not given. Okay, homework I have not given because these are the little difficult questions. So one more time you can try these questions.
Okay.
But the calculation is little long. Formula is also there. And as I told you that you have to write in 2 or 3 pages, you have to write only the formula. And in the
Okay.
beginning of your notebook, you can stick that page. Area
Yeah.
of the rhombus, area of that you can stick there. Okay, should I leave the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, bye.